we're back into a new day and we are going to be working on the 18 STI. Now I know I'm kind of going back and forth with bits and pieces of this. I'm just working on it when I can and when I don't have other stuff going on. But now we're going to start working on it more consistently. And today the first thing it's going to be get this thing looking clean, because this thing definitely needs it. Like I was showing you guys before, it was super dirty on the inside, has dog hair all over in it. So we're going to take the front seats, unbolt those probably. I'm going to get the air compressor out so we can blow stuff out. If I can get the air compressor to do the job, I might not pull the seats. We'll see. And the door jambs are super dirty and the whole car is dirty. So we're going to give it a good bath, get the inside of this car clean, and I'm going to let you guys watch as we do it. So let's get to it, guys. there we have it, guys. We got half of the car clean, and man, does it look a ton better. I didn't end up taking the seat all the way out, but I did unbolt it and push it back up so we can get underneath of it. But look at that, guys. Oh yeah, that makes me feel so much better. Everything's clean. Let's knock out that passenger side. Sorry about that, guys. Battery died on the camera, so I believe I'll have to get more batteries for this, like everyone's been saying in the comments. So apologize for that. Hope you guys enjoyed that time lapse of getting this thing clean, because man, did it need it. But I also want to say at the same time, previous owner is going to be watching these videos, so please be nice in the comments, guys. He apologized for it being that dirty, and honestly it was just dog hair. The car sat at the dealer for 3 months, and honestly, let's just take a moment to think of that time that you were let down with your car, or you didn't have time to clean it. So it happens, but it was just dog hair. Just took a lot of time to get it clean, but now we got that thing all clean. And I also had a new set of STI formats. Like I told you guys before, I had a couple sets, so those are all in the car. Super happy of how it came out. So I'm gonna show you guys here and do a little cinematic of how clean this thing is now. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Super happy that we got the car all clean. So now, next up, we are gonna get this thing clean on the outside, because it needs a bath very bad. After sitting at the dealer for a couple months and hasn't had a bath, time to get this thing clean, guys. Cleaned up, man, this thing did clean up nice. There was a couple new spots that I did find, mainly on the top of the wing because it used to have a gurney flap. So there's a couple chips there. But I think I'm going to just do a gurney flap on it anyway, so that'll cover back up where it was. But it's clean up nice. It is windy out, so I still don't know how much this camera picks up wind, so I'll walk back in here. But pretty happy of how it cleaned up. Obviously, we do have some paint work we got to be doing on this, guys. One being that front bumper, I took off the sticker and there's a big hole in the driver's side. I'll show you guys. And we need to either do some touch-up work on the quarter panels by the tires and the rear bumper, or get them repainted. So first off, we're gonna be getting a new bumper for the car and getting a new one painted, because that's the worst part on the car. But there'll be more to come on the body wise. I'm gonna show you a quick glance at how good the car cleaned up, do a nice little cinematic view for you guys. And before that, I just want to thank you guys for taking time to watch this channel. I want to thank all the new subscribers for coming on. Once again, you want to support the channel, check out our website. We got some apparel on there for you guys, stickers, shirts, sweatshirts, and we have short blocks, so make sure to check that out. And there is more to come on the STI. Now that we got this thing all cleaned up, that's right, tomorrow we're going to be pulling the motor out of this thing. So stay tuned, guys.